Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Jenkins on Ubuntu 24.04. Jenkins is the leading open source automation server that makes it easy to build, test, and deploy your applications. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have Ubuntu 24.04 installed and updated, a user account with sudo privileges, terminal access, and at least 2 GB of RAM and 10 GB of storage. Whatever the commands I will execute during the installation, I will paste the same commands in the description for your reference. I have already taken the SSH session of my Ubuntu 24.04 system. First, let's update our system packages. Open the terminal and the command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Once all the updates are installed, then we must install Java, as Jenkins requires Java to run. We will install OpenJDK 21. Let me first clear the screen. Run the command sudo apt install OpenJDK -21-jdk, then -y. Hit enter. After the Java installation, verify its version. Run the command java -version. Output confirms that we have installed OpenJDK 21. Next, we need to add Jenkins app repository, as Jenkins package is not available in the default package repositories of Ubuntu 24.04. In order to add a Jenkins official app repository, we need to execute these two commands. The first command will download the GPG key for the repository. The second command will create a Jenkins repository file with the name jenkins.list under this location. Copy the first command. Now update the package list and install the Jenkins. For that, run the command now install Jenkins. Run the command sudo apt install jenkins-y. Hit enter. After the successful installation of Jenkins, its service will start automatically. We can verify its status by running the command output confirms that service is active and it's up and running. Initial admin password for Jenkins UI is stored under this file. In case firewall is up and running on your system, in that case you need to allow Jenkins port, that is 8080 in the firewall. Reload the firewall service. Now open the web browser, navigate to HTTP IP address of your Ubuntu server. In my case, it is 192.168.1.11 : 8080 is the Jenkins port. Hit enter. All right. Now complete this setup wizard. Initially, we need the admin password. Admin password is stored under this file. Copy the location. Go back to the terminal. Type sudo cat and this file name. Copy this password. Paste it here and click on continue. Now select this install suggested plugins. Click on this. It will start installing the required plugins for the Jenkins setup. Now create your first admin user for your Jenkins. Click on save and continue. This is the IP address of your Ubuntu system. In my case, it is 192.168.1.11 and this is the port of my Jenkins server. Click on save and finish. Click on start using Jenkins. This will take us to the Jenkins dashboard. Now validate the Jenkins installation by creating a freestyle job. Click on this new item, choose freestyle, enter the name, let's say first job. Then click on OK. Go to the build steps, choose execute cell, type here echo welcome to Jenkins and then click save. Now click on build now. This will start this job and will execute the echo command. Go to the console. It had executed the echo command. Welcome to Jenkins. That's all from this tutorial. You have Jenkins up and running on Ubuntu 24.04. Feel free to post your questions, feedback in below comment section. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more DevOps tutorials. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.